Well, it's that time of the year again where we get ready for epic destinations and awesome conditions, and I'm going to show you a couple of unique products that are going to help you load up your trailer and get ready safe and securely. We've worked with SUPERCLAMP in the past, and their products provide excellent traction, increased safety, and integrated vehicle securement. And this season is no different, starting with the all-new SuperTraction Grid. Designed to go in the center of your trailer door or trailer deck, the grid offers increased grip for your sled's tracks. It also doubles up and allows ATVs or side-by-side tires to gain excellent traction. The grid can be stacked horizontally or vertically to the desired grid and will ensure your sled forward motion and remedy the issue of track wash when loading or unloading. As an added bonus, the traction grid also ensures maximum grip for snowy boots when entering and exiting the trailer on a surface that would otherwise be slick. With a complete product line, it's easy to get a grip with SUPERCLAMP, and the next thing we're going to install goes hand in hand with the traction grid. Following in the footprints of the SuperGlide 2, the SuperGlide Wide is a new 13.5-inch wide sled, ATV, and traction guide. When you use the SuperGlide Wide in conjunction with the traction grid, you get a superior traction surface for your snowmobile track and skis that ensures you don't rip up and otherwise damage the trailer's surface while making loading and unloading easy for anyone with minimal potential for carbide hangups or reduced steering and traction. And with the SuperGlide Wide product, we only need one strip down each side in the middle of the ramp and trailer bed. Now that getting the sled or ATV into the trailer is complete, we need to make sure that we use proper securement for our sled or ATV, because it's the law. And SuperTrax is the obvious fit. This stuff goes in easy, fits together with precision, and can be put just about anywhere you need it. With finished end caps and beautifully designed locking tie-down cleats that even includes a locking tab, you're not just secure, you're safe as well should you forget to lock your trailer door or be installing it on an open deck. Now, tie-down tracks and cleats, well, they're great, but tie straps can get frozen up and be a total pain, so something simpler is what's needed here. The SuperClamp 2 is a simple and smartly designed product that we've been using for years. It locks into the SuperTrax cleat and is fully adjustable for the height of your snowmobile ski. Because it fits in the SuperTrax, it means it can be moved to anywhere you have SuperTrax installed, and you can even install small sections just for the SuperClamp 2. Once locked into the cleat, it's a simple push of a locking lever and inserting the safety key, and your front end is locked in place. If you're on an exterior open deck, the safety key can be replaced with a padlock to keep your sled safe. Our final step is locking down the rear of the sled. Many folks skip this part, but the truth is that the rear end of your sled can move around a lot if it's not tied down. And the other truth? It's not legal if you don't. Much like the SuperClamp 2 ski lock, the SuperClamp rear is an easy-to-use slide rail locking mechanism that once again utilizes the SuperTrax and the locking cleat. With the same adjustable system as well as the same pistol grip locking arm and safety tab, the SuperClamp rear goes on quick and holds the rear of the sled with authority, keeping you legal and safe. It's also lockable with a padlock to ensure maximum protection from theft. Keeping your equipment safe and secure is just as easy as properly maintaining your ATV or snowmobile. And when it comes to SuperClamp, making it safe and secure is super simple. If you enjoyed the video that you just saw, like it and then subscribe to our page for more great content from SnowTrax TV.